Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. This is a little stiff and it won't pull up, so I'm going to cheat a little bit. Pull it up where I want it to.
This one over there?
Yeah, I don't know why.
Is it underneath?
Nope.
No.
This one's too big.
Too big here. Move this one over there and another one there.
You see that? Alright, time to adjust. We can always make them smaller. Can't make them lower. I'm unplugged.
There. I'll cut this one.
Unplugged.
Okay.
I'm unplugged.
I know.
Yeah, let's do it. So these are still too big?
Yeah. You screw this one in?
Good enough. Lift up the backside. Junk. Something for archaeologists to find later. Staple under there.
Yeah.
Don't go so far. Or she gonna break that staple off.
You need plywood?
I need some long screws right there. Yeah, how big is the plywood you got out there? What's the size of it? You can guess at it. That was a little low, so I'll shoot it in.
Here's a 4 feet and 1 inch.
Not 1 inch, don't make it 1 inch. You want to do, but I don't. It's not 1 inch. Maybe 3/4. Doubt it. Probably. Probably shouldn't use that.
Well, you just want to work on that one while we decide what we're doing.
You turn that off. This area, I'm thinking for the same reason, the window. But it's solid, so we're going to be all right. Unlike particle board, it will not continue to deteriorate. If that was particle board, we'd have to replace it because it would just continue to deteriorate. We will need to get some silicone to seal all the windows. And we'll go get some 5/8 plywood. But that'll be alright. If you're in your own home and things like this, when you put your floor down, it wouldn't be a bad idea to put any kind of stain or paint on this to help it resist water. Spills from the cup or leaks from the roof or from the window in this case. So you might want to consider painting when you have a chance, but just anything, it doesn't matter. So that's something to keep in mind. Okay, so we cut a 12 by 47 3/4 inch piece. And because we had wood all the way around, we were able to put screws about every 6-8 inches. And everything's all screwed up and it's ready to put down the new flooring. If you were doing it for your own home, you might want to do floor leveler if there's a difference between one side and the other. This particular flooring they're going to put on here, it doesn't need it. We checked over there where it looks bad. It's not bad. We hammered on it. Same with over here by the door. We still got to seal around the windows. So we're going to seal across the top of the windows on the outside. And I wouldn't seal the bottom because now if it leaks at the top, for whatever reason, it cannot come out the bottom. So it never rains up. So go ahead and seal the top and maybe the sides, but particularly the top. The top is the biggest problem. There you go. It's a quick fix and a good fix for flooring. And we checked all the rest around behind the wash machine and dryer. And he's ready to go. Get these people in here putting the new flooring in for him. Bye, guys. Goes on white, dries clear. We're just filling in cracks. This looks like that it's shrunk up and pulled away from the metal. But if you notice, this has got putty tape underneath that, so I wouldn't worry too much about that. But the top had cracks and such in the silicone that really is pretty good. This is probably 20-25 years old. Like your new Red Wing boots?
Yeah, I buy them for $189. It turns out the bill comes out to $300 and something.
What? How?
Because he influenced me to buy soles that were $69. I didn't know they were $69 until I was paying for it. Then he convinced me, oh, if you buy these 2 pairs of socks, they're a lifetime guarantee.
Socks?
They tear, you can get them back. He didn't tell me the price of those either. I had to buy 2 pairs, get one free, and get $15 off the boot. They were $21 a pop. So I paid $40 in socks, get a free pair of socks,
You won't lose your socks.
and $15 off of.
It's a $300 boots.
Right. It came out to that. I'm about to take them back because it wasn't worth that much.
It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.